What's up? I'm Kiwi and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a video on how I style my headbands and headscarves for the springtime. Honestly, one of my favorite accessories in the springtime is scarves. I love to wear them on my head and I've been doing this for years. So if you guys are an oldie, you guys know that I've always done these, but I don't think I've ever done a tutorial on them. I have so many different scarves to do this with, so I'm going to be talking about different ones to do them with in the videos and just different styles and things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So yeah, I think that is about it, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so before I jump into how I do the scarves, I just want to mention one thing. So like when I do the turban style, I don't want to say turban because I don't want to offend anyone, so yeah. When I do the ones that have like the ball up here at the top, I use thicker scarves, but not too thick because you still want to be able to like twist it and stuff. But I just use thicker ones, not as sheer as the ones that I like to use for the other styles. So I just want to keep that in mind. And then I like to use the more sheer, thin scarves for the rest of the styles. Just the classic headband, really simple one. So I'm just going to take a really thin scarf like this, and it's actually kind of wide, as you guys can see. So what I do is I just fold it in half this way so it's not as wide, and then I just take it and go around my head like this and twist it. And you want to make sure your hair is in a bun too. I forgot to mention that part, but just twist it like this. I just kind of like just do like a twist knot here, and then take it at the back and tie the back like this. And then you want to just stick the excess part under like that. So yeah, and then like I said, you want to make sure your hair is just either in a high bun or just a high ponytail, and you can do the style with any type of scarf, but I really like it. And then I like to not have it too far down on my forehead because I do like to have my, you know, baby hairs peeking through. What you want to do is just take your hair and make sure that you have a really high ponytail, kind of like a pineapple per se. Like you want to do a pineapple for your hair. It looks a lot better on fresher hair. My hair is definitely not fresh, it's like 4 days old, so yeah. And like I said, you just want to make sure you have like just a pineapple or so. I know it looks a bit crazy, but you just want to make sure you have like a pineapple. And then you can take the same type of scarf, but instead of folding it, you want to keep it how it is, as wide as it is. And then you want to take it here, and you can pretty much do the same thing, just tie it, there, and then you can just take the excess part and just stick it at the back. And then you just want to kind of fix your ponytail to where it is not as like in your face. If your hair is a lot shorter, or if your hair is like fresher, it, like I know if my hair is fresher, it won't be this far down my eyes, so I could just keep it like that. But because this is older hair, it's down here. So you just want to kind of, you know, keep it like that. And you can see the scarf a little bit. If your hair is longer, all you really have to do is just kind of take your ends and just kind of push them under so they won't be in your face as much. You want to do your hair in a really high bun, and when I say high, you want to do it really high, so kind of like right here, as if you was kind of doing like a, not quite a pineapple style, but you just want it really high. Then you want to take your scarf. I'm folding this one because it's a little big, so I'm just gonna take the scarf here, and then what I like to do with mine is tie it here like this. Tie it like this, and then I just take this and wrap it around my bun, and then take the other side and wrap this one around my bun. It's a lot easier to do when you don't have these like tassel things on them, and if you have the tassel things, I'll just show you guys how you can make them work. And then there you have it. That is pretty much it. Like, you just have to kind of play with it. Sometimes I like to leave a little hair piece out so it doesn't look as, like, you know, up. Sometimes I took all my hair under, so it really doesn't matter how you do it. And then sometimes you do have to add an extra scrunchie on to kind of like, you know, keep it in place sometimes. But this one is kind of tucked under. Make sure your hair is in a low bun. I like to do mine to the side just a little bit, but you can do it straight back. I just like to do mine towards the side, and this gives all of the gel that I have going on in my hair. Take the scarf here, tie it here, and then just kind of wrap it. Do the same thing that you did to the top style, and just wrap it around your and then you just kind of want to fix the front, so it just doesn't look, and just make sure all the edges are tucked under, and make sure your hair is tucked under. I like to use this kind of like square like scarves for this, and then you want to kind of fold it in a triangle, and once you get the triangle shape, then you want to take the tip of the triangle and just kind of fold it down until it's straight. And then once you get it straight, like how you have it folded down, then you want to take that part and put it on your hair, and then take the two ends and tie them together. And like I said, this style here is one of my favorite styles to do because it kind of gives you like that 2000-ish vibes going on, you know, you feel me? So I like this type of style. If you get like smaller bandana styles, then those are a lot easier to just tie and have like the little bunny ear style. I also like those too, but I cannot find my bandana for the life of me for this video, but I will insert pictures, and all you have to do is just kind of put that one back of your head and just tie it in a bow at the top. That is pretty much it. So yeah, that is the last style, and that's pretty much how I style all of my headbands. These are perfect styles to do on, like I said, 4-day hair. My hair is pretty messy right now. I honestly need to do it. I probably am gonna do it tonight because like literally the curls are just gone, like gone. But I need to do my hair. So these are perfect like accessories for your hair when you need to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys style your hair with scarves and things like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, girl. If you watched to the end and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.